everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be opening up my Glow Addict box for the month of April. Yes, it is in a bag. I love this, like, I don't want to call it holographic, but I just think it's really cool. It's like silver, but it turns like rainbow colors. Anyway, so this is my April box and I'm just here on my laptop. It is $18.99 a month, and I think I do pay, in fact I know I pay shipping on it, so I think it comes out to about $22 and some change. And now I originally got the mystery, the March mystery box / bag, and then I just decided that I was gonna go ahead and subscribe since I liked everything. So I'm just gonna pull everything out, and there is a lot in here. It is loaded. I think that's it. Okay, so here's everything that we have right here. And let's see, there is a card. So it's just like a little business card. It says what's inside. We are relaunching our boxes. We decided to change things up for our Glow Addict. We can't wait to show you our new boxes in April. In the meantime, please allow us to use these cute mailers while our boxes are printing, and it does go over what's inside. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a Grace and Stella. These are eye masks, and this is just, it says just thank you on it. So I don't know if this is really part of, it is. Okay, so Grace and Stella single 24 karat gold under eye mask, and this is $5. And says anti-wrinkle, energizing. You see these a lot in different subscriptions, especially like the smaller one. But from what I've heard, Grace and Stella is a good brand. And so the next thing is this. And it's in this little glass jar. Let's see. Let me open it up. I like that everything is like wrapped really nicely. And so this is, ooh, it has gold flakes in it. This is the CBD, no, Gold Rich. Okay, this is the Millennial Beauty 24 karat gold primer oil. And there is little pieces of gold in there, and it's a little dropper here. Let's see. There's no smell to it. Ooh, look, it's got like a little hook shape. So let's see. I love serums. I love primers. I don't really always get on the best with oils. Some oils break me out. But that feels really good. It's like more like a dry oil, so that absorbed really, really fast. So this is valued at $58. $58. Okay. Well then. And I don't think, yeah, I said these were $5. All right, I'm moving right along. The next thing is this. Ooh, I love it. So this is a Bee Bella blender brush. This is the 119. And it's just like a nice fluffy blending brush. I love these brushes for the crease. I also use these to set my concealer under the eye. So this is the Bee Bella brush number 119, and this is valued at $4.99. Okay, and then the next thing is this. So obviously it's like a little palette. Let me open this up. This is all bubble wrapped, so cute. And it all has the little Glow Addict beauty box sticker on it. So this is the Oakland Dimensional Highlighting Palette in the color Warm. Hopefully that doesn't mean that it's like a super dark color. But that is what the outside package looks like right there. And then you just slide it out. And then, yeah, same, right there. So let's see, ooh, okay. It does have like a plastic protector and a mirror. But these are the colors right here. These look really pretty. They look like they could kind of work as maybe blush toppers. Okay, let's see. So you have marshmallow, sassy grape, butterscotch, taffy, and bronzed. And this is the Oakland Natural Warm Highlight Palette, and this is worth $10. So let's do some swatches. Let's do marshmallow, sassy grape, and butterscotch. So those three right there. I'll do some swatches in the back of my hand. They are kind of powdery. but you know, swatches are kind of hard to tell unless you apply it to the face with like a brush or something. Sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. This one right here, the butterscotch, it actually looks pretty nice. Build that up a little bit. So that's that one right here, butterscotch. So that's pretty. I love my highlighter, so I'm sure I will enjoy that. Okay, and then I have another brush here. So this is another Be Bella oval shadow brush. This is kind of like a shader brush. I do love shader brushes. And then this is the number 111. And this is valued at $3.99. So these are really good. It's kind of shedding there, but okay. So these are really good for like crease color. You can use it for highlighting your nose, smudging under the lash line. So you can always find so many different uses for brushes. And these are really substantial feeling. They feel really nice and heavy. And the bristles are really soft. So they're very dense. They're not scratchy. So these feel really, really nice. I can't believe that these are only $4.99 and $3.99 each. These are excellent brushes. And then the very last thing is this. So this is the Party Away palette from Steb. And you know, I'm wondering if this is the March. I think this might be March because honestly, I feel like I've seen unboxings with this same stuff in it. And I was wondering, I was like, man, April got here really fast. But I don't know. I mean, the card doesn't say, so I'm assuming this is March. Okay, but I just got this in. However, I just subscribed, so maybe that's why. Anyway, so this is Steb Party Away, and it's a 9 shimmer color eyeshadow palette. And ooh, it's got a mirror in it. It's like a nice hefty mirror. And this kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty kind of palette, just the way it's lined up right there. But this is an all shimmer palette. So you've got some fun colors in there. And so this guy is valued at $19.99. And again, let's do some swatches. These pinks are really calling my name, and this purple right here. So we'll do this purple and then some of these pinks. So there's the swatches there. And I'll just do some swatches here on my arm. So right there you can see. That purple is really pretty. All right, so not bad, not bad. I think I definitely got my value. I definitely got my $22 and change. So I'm excited to see what comes in April's box. So, okay, let's go back over everything that we got. And it does say that my total value was $101.97. So we got the Steb eyeshadow palette. We got the Millennial Beauty Oil. We got the 2 brushes from Be Bella. We got the Oakland highlighting palette, blush topper, whatever, what have you. And then we got the Grace and Stella gold under eye masks. So all in all, I really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna leave a link down below in case you guys want to sign up for Glow Addict. Again, they are kind of changing everything around. So it will be in a box next time I get it. But I think for the price, I'm really impressed. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know down below what you thought of this box. I know I'm a month behind and it's March, but I just got this, so it's new to me. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like and subscribe. Come join the family. I'd love to have you here. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers so I can do a giveaway. I have a lot of awesome goodies that I'm kind of stowing away for a 100 subscriber giveaway. But until next time, I hope you all stay safe, stay well, and I will see you soon. Bye.